My 1964 Series 2 Land Rover didn't have a fan shroud, so what should I do? I can't find one anywhere to buy, so I made one. First, I took the radiator and the radiator support out. Then got some sheet metal. Then started cutting it down to size. I did not go off a pattern for this, I just winged it as usual. I used my Dremel tool to cut the pieces out. Unfortunately, I burned out my Dremel and had to get an angle grinder with a cutting disc. This worked much better. After the parts are cut out, I needed to bend them to the proper shape. I did this by making a bending jig out of a couple pieces of angle iron. I used a body hammer to bend the metal. It seemed to do a pretty good job. The jig is about 30 inches long. Here is the completed main part of the shroud. The angles are all nice and straight, and it seems to sit pretty flat. I then test fitted the parts on the main part, drilling holes for the rivets. When I assembled all the pieces, I used silicone in all the joints. Now it was time to figure out where the hole needed to be cut for the fan. It took a couple of tries to get it so the fan would not hit the sides of the hole. I used some smaller pieces to block off where I had to cut out for the radiator hose. I then put the truck back together with the new fan shroud. I am pleased with the outcome. I believe that it will run cooler now that the air is being pulled through the radiator instead of circulating around the engine compartment. Thank you for watching.